Hey everyone! Want to build your credit fast and easy? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Chimmy Credit Builder card to improve your credit score. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the Chimmy Credit Builder card. It's a secured credit card, meaning you deposit money and that becomes your spending limit. Step 2. Use it regularly. Make small every purchases and keep your utilization below 30% to boost your score. Step 3. Pay on time and in full. Chimmy reports payment to major credit bureaus, so always pay in full to avoid interest and late fees. Turn on autopay. This helps you never miss a payment and build a strong payment history. Then keep your account active. The longer you use Chimmy card responsibly, the better your credit score will be. And that's it. Using Chimmy Credit Builder card the right way can increase your credit score with no interest or hidden fees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money tips.